Hi, my name's Jonny at Physio Rooms. I'm just going to talk to you today about some shoulder blade exercises. So one thing that we tend to advise patients to do in here if they're having issues around this area, obviously firstly we'd assess to properly advise, but one thing they could do just to get the shoulder blades working would be if they're in this position, doing some shoulder circles. So if they're bringing the shoulders up, squeezing the blades back together and holding for about 5 seconds, and then just slowly relaxing down and then coming round. So what we're doing here is we're working these muscles that sit between the shoulder blade and the rib cage and the spine. So these muscles, if they're strong, they'll keep the blades back, they'll keep them in position, they'll allow them to turn, which then in turn will take the pressure off the actual shoulder joint. So if you are doing something where you're reaching up into a cupboard, that blade will be able to turn, and there's less chance of the muscles between the shoulder blade and the spine tiring and ultimately tightening and nipping nerves, which then causes pain and discomfort. So these sort of exercises are very effective. They're effective a lot of the time. People actually will feel like they want to go in that position anyway. And I'm sure you've probably experienced that yourself, where if you sat behind a computer screen for a long period of time, you want to get up and stretch, and that's your body just trying to get you into a position that it would favour. So that's one exercise that you could do. Shoulders up, squeeze your blades back together, hold for 5 seconds, slowly coming down and then back round. And there's different ways of progressing that exercise too.